Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be driving this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica. I love this car. Look at the color. It's a Viola Bast. It's a purplish kind of color. It's so beautiful. 60th anniversary. It's a V10, the last of its kind. It's 631 horsepower and 7-speed dual clutch LDF. So I'm pretty sure I'm excited to hear how it sounds, and it's a V10 as well. I'm sure the V10 sounds brutal. Look at the aerodynamic of it. The air passes through this and goes all the way to the engine to cool it down with the bronze wheels. So as you know, this is the last of its kind. Carbon fiber engine bay, V10. It's beautiful. It sounds amazing as well. I can just look at it for as much as you want. It's just too beautiful to look at. It also has a beautiful back as well. The diffuser is black chrome instead of carbon fiber. Those huge 2-pot exhaust tips opening from here, and you can see the exhaust, and you can see the exhaust from here. So what do you guys think about this car? Of course it's a Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica, so obviously you might love it, which I do. I personally love this car a lot. Even the front looks so aggressive, as you can see. Let's hop inside and let me show you guys the interior of it. So I'm now inside the new Huracan Tecnica. It's beautiful leather steering wheel. This part, I love it. It's much better than the normal Huracan. Look at that. It's so beautiful. There's a screen, buttons, carbon fiber door. And you have this to open it. Let's start the engine and hear how it sounds. There's a jet plane button as well, which you open it and you press it to start the car, which is this red button. Press the brake. Wow. This is with the exhaust turned off. All the driver's distraction declimmer except, see, the moment I put it into sports or Corsa, see how the sound changes. Look at that, it's so loud now. This is exhaust turned off. Even with the turn off, it's so loud. Now it's so sports. Amazing. Now Corsa. That's beautiful. Anyways, turn it on. So anyways, this is the middle console. Let's get to the vehicle setting. This is the navigation, normal navigation. That seems good. And let's go to vehicle. Exterior light, door mirrors, parking sensor, speed warning, LDVI. LDVI is the let's go back. Radio settings, sound, media, Apple CarPlay setting, GPS. So this is it. This is what it has here. I think let's say, can we do anything about it? No. Back, exterior lighting, speed warning, parking aid, chassis number initialized. Okay, fine. So this is it. Let's look at the carbon fiber. Even the doors fully carbon fiber. This is beautiful. So now it's in park. You're gonna go to reverse, pull this. Now it's in reverse with that huge display in the middle. So it's your camera. And then if you want to go back to D, just use this pedal shifter. And that's it, your car is in D. The sports button, change the mode, it's here in the steering wheel.